Hello, my name is Eric Lauer, and today I'm going to give you more information on our pressure-sensitive liners and show you how to properly apply one. First, let's talk about the liner itself. A pressure-sensitive liner, also known in the industry as a PS22 liner, looks like this. This is a pretty common example where you will see "sealed for your protection" printed on one side, and on the other side you have what actually sticks to the lip or the rim of the bottle, which creates an actual seal that a user will have to peel off. Now, I'm going to show you how to apply this liner properly. You will need your filled bottles, caps, a clean cloth, and of course, your liners. Before we start, here are some things to consider. First, you have to let your liners adjust to your processing room temperature for about 48 hours. For best results, the room temperature should be anywhere from 60 to 80 degrees. It's also best to keep the liners away from direct heat and sunlight. You have to make sure that your cap measurements matches the bottle's measurements. For example, a 38-400 cap needs a bottle with a 38-400 opening. We're relying on the pressure created by screwing down the cap into the bottle to activate the adhesive, hence a pressure-sensitive liner. Therefore, you'll want to use the best fit here. Another thing to consider is the type of product you're putting into the bottle, because it will affect how a pressure-sensitive liner works. This liner works best with powder-based products, dry products, and can sometimes work with thick liquids like creams. Generally, liquids do not work well with these liners, which is why we encourage that you sample first before you buy. So let's start. First, wipe the opening, the lip of the container, with a clean cloth. You have to make sure that this is clean or else the liner will not stick. After you clean that, place the liner on top of the opening, although some prefer to put the liner in the cap itself. Make sure the adhesive side is down and the printed side is up. Now screw the cap into the bottle. Make sure it's all the way down. Like I said earlier, the adhesive relies on the pressure of the cap screwing down for the adhesive to activate and stick. And there you have it. Leave it as is for at least 24 hours for the liner to fully adhere to the opening of the bottle. We have an example here of a bottle sealed with a pressure-sensitive liner. As you can see, when the cap is removed, the liner stays put, which prevents the product from moving around and spilling. Pressure-sensitive liners are a one-time seal. Now that I peeled this off, I can't reapply it. While it does create a seal, it's important to know that pressure-sensitive liners are not considered tamper-evident by the FDA. However, if that is something that you need, please give us a call or visit our website, as we do have options for that application. And that about does it. Remember, the Cary Company is your one-stop shop solution for pressure-sensitive liners, and so much more.
Attention! Due to product integrity and increased regulation, the Cary Company does not allow returns of pressure-sensitive liners. All pressure-sensitive liners are made to order, and it is the customer's responsibility to request samples for testing purposes before purchasing. Pressure-sensitive liners are not recognized by the FDA as tamper-evident and are not recommended for use with liquid products.